Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English, and today I'm talking to you in front of the Banco de la República, which is the Central Bank of Colombia, a very cool modern tower here in Avenida Murillo in Barranquilla. Guys, today's expression is kickoff, as in to begin or to start. Beginning of a football game is the kickoff, American football. I'm using this expression today because today, in fact, is the kickoff of No Conocía El Palma, which is a very cool festival on the culture and the heritage of Barranquilla. If you want more information on No Conocía El Palma, I recommend that you head to Edificio La Aduana on the Via 40. Today at 4 o'clock, there's going to be a discussion in the auditorium about Germán Sampler, which is a famous architect of Barranquilla. Guys, if you enjoy these videos, definitely hit subscribe, share this with your friends, and as usual, have a fantastic day.